Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and enabling monetization. This unlocks memberships. First, check you have 1,000 subscribers or partner approval and the required watch hours. Once verified, open YouTube Studio and go to monetization, then follow identity checks and link or create an AdSense account. Make sure your channel settings are complete: profile image, banner, and about section, because YouTube reviews channel completeness. After these initial steps, you're ready to configure membership options in the next slide. Now you configure tiers and perks so members see value. You choose between 1 and 5 tiers, set prices, and write concise perk descriptions. This helps conversions. Once done, create custom badges and emojis in the membership settings, schedule members-only live streams, and upload exclusive posts or videos. Make sure to pin a sample perk card on your channel to preview how it appears. Finally, review payout thresholds and AdSense linkage so payments process smoothly when people join. Finally, launch memberships with a clear announcement video and a pinned community post explaining perks and benefits. You want immediate momentum. After launch, monitor member growth, conversion rate, and retention in YouTube Analytics so you can iterate on perks and pricing. If viewers can't join, recheck policy compliance, monetization status, and AdSense connection. Often identity verification or an AdSense hold is the blocker. If problems persist, contact YouTube support via Studio and document error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.